how to run ChatGPT as a window app. Let's get started. Open any of the browser. Now type in chat.openai.com and search for it. Now click on this option of login. Now type in the credentials associated with your ChatGPT account and log into your ChatGPT account. After you log in, you will land to this kind of page. Now at the top right, you will find 3 dots. Tap on it and go to this option of more tools. Click on it and head towards the option of create shortcut. Now here you have to give a name to the shortcut and then check in for this option open as window. After you do that, click on the option of create. Now you can close this. In your home screen, you will be able to find this ChatGPT app. Now you can click on the shortcut ChatGPT, and with that you will be logged into your ChatGPT account. So this is how you can run ChatGPT as a window app. I hope now you guys are clear about it. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.